What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video I'll teach you again, of course, hip-hop episode studio. Bye bye. It's either I teach hip-hop or sexy. For this one I'll teach hip-hop. So the title of the song is called Candy Shop by 50 Cent. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. So just hoping this one is recording, because last time always cut every 1 minute. So let's see. So you go like jump cross, heel toe, 1 and 3, 4. 2 and 1 and 2 and double pop and okay, then low. So let's count 6, 7 and jump 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to your right, 5 and 6. So this one is double turn. 5 and 6. Chest. Set. Bend. 8. This is 1. And close on 2. Again. 5, 6, 7 and go. 1 and 2 and chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Good job. Let's continue from here. 2. We're gonna go isolation and 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. 1 quick. 3 and 4. Step back. 5 and 6 and side 7, 8. Back 1 and 2. One more time. From here. 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Back 5 and 6 and copy 7, 8, 1 and 2. Continue side 3, turn around 4. Go 5, 6, step back on 7 and 8. 2 8. Let's try. 5, 6 from the top. 7 and 1 and 2 and chest. 4, 5, 6. Chest down side. Front 2. Chest and a 4. Back 5 and 6. Drop. 7, 8. 1 and a 2. 3, 4. 5, 6. 7, 8. So that is 3 8, not 2 8. Okay? On the 4th 8, go left, left on left, left arm, left foot. 1, 2. This one is brush. 2, 3, 4. Pop chest. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Good job. One more time. So 7, 4, 8. Left, brush, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Good job. Next. 1, 2, left. Left first, 3, and 4. And 5, and 6. So this one is like 6, 7, and 8. So this is 1, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 7, 8. That's 5, 6. They're wrong. 7, 8. So this is 1, close on 3. One more time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 6, 7. Stop. 1, 2. Now we do isolation to your right. 3 and 4. Front 5, 6. Make sure you flex. 7 and 8. One more time. We got 7, 8. This is 1, 2. Head isolation. 3, 4. Open. 5, 6, one more, 7, bend the 8. Good job. Let's finish this one. Almost 7, 8. Then 4 counts. Go to the back. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close your feet. Let's finish. Go. 5, 6. Stay set. Bend 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Pull. Hit. Tap. Tap. Let's finish it. 5 abs. 1, 2. Elbow first. 3. Wrist and 4. Cross on 5, 6, 7, 8, and finish. Did you get it? Let's try again. If you have a problem, just repeat the video, okay? Let's try maybe from here. I don't know, that's so far away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6, 7. Then stop. Knee close. Isolation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Active. 2, 3, 4. Boom. Stop. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you low like this. Alright, that's all the choreography. Let's try everything from the beginning. Are you ready? Here we go. Super slow. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and 2 and chest. 4, 5, 6, chest. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, drop 7, 8, 1 and 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop 6, 7. Then stop. 1, close 2, isolation. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, chest, chest, ta-da-da, and step, and elbow, last 6, 7, yes! Good job everyone! Now let's try music. We do it slower.
Just between me and you. Give it to me, baby. Nice. I'm on top, ride like in a rodeo. You ain't never heard it sound like this before. 'Cause I ain't never put it down like this. Soon as I come through the door, she get me pulling on my zipper. It's like it's a race, who could get undressed quicker. Isn't it ironic how ironic it is to watching dogs? Had me thinking about that ass after I'm gone. I touched the right spot at the right time. Lights on, my lights off, she like it from behind. So seductive, you see the way she whine. Her hips in slow-mo on the floor when we grind. Long as she ain't stopping, homie, I ain't stopping. Dripping wet with sweat, man, it's on and popping on my champagne campaign. Bottle after bottle of song, and we gon' sit there and roll on a bottle of song. I take you to the candy shop. I let you.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. Alright? And if you are like having hard time to take the choreography, you can just rewind it or pause in some part, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.